Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like always, I would like to start by saying thank you guys, basically to everyone who's been supporting me along this way. I really do appreciate it. If you are new here, please, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the little ring notification bell so you are aware whenever I do post a new video. Also, I want to send my love to everyone out there. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe during these very difficult times that we're experiencing. I still hoping for the best, guys. So moving forward, today is actually a very exciting day. I did not know that Jeffree Star's palette was going to get here today, so I had to jump on this and start filming it right away. I'm going to be doing unboxing swatches of Jeffree Star's new Cremated palette, along with I believe 2 of his lip glosses that came out. And as you may see by the title already, I will be doing a giveaway on the palette as well. So make sure you stick all the way till the end of the video, because I will be giving you guys the rules and regulations and all that good stuff on how you can enter to win the palette. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, and yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so the palette does retail at $58. It is completely sold out right now. I do believe that they did a relaunch yesterday, but I don't even know if it's sold out again or not. The lippies do retail at $18. Just letting you guys know ahead of time. This is the palette that I received. This is the one that will be for the giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Alright guys, here it is. As you can see, I don't even know if it could focus. There it is. It's really pretty packaging, but then again, I'm not surprised. It's Jeffree Star. He is the bomb when it comes to any kind of packaging. Also, here is the cover of it. It's nice and sturdy, and hold on, I'm not gonna open it yet. Yeah, so on the back, it's just plain white. It kind of reminds me of the other palette that he has. I forgot what it's called. Oh my gosh, not the Jawbreaker. Oh my god. I'll post it right here because I forgot. But anyway, it kind of has like a little marble theme, as you all may know. It has gray tones. Let's go ahead and open the palette. So this is what she looks like. As you can see, it has a big mirror, but I'm not going to flash you guys. And these colors already look beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I actually was a little skeptical about getting this palette. I personally felt that, I don't know, that grays really don't look good on me anyway. I thought that it was too much gray, but now that I'm actually looking at it, it is very beautiful. Here's what it looks like up close. And as you guys may know, this palette has had a lot of drama around it because a lot of people were getting upset that he shouldn't have released a cremated palette during the times of the pandemic. However, I do understand. I love Jeffree Star's products, and I love how supportive he is on everything out there. So I don't hold anything against him personally. I think that the palette shows his creative side, and as many of you know, any palette that gets starting in the works of being made takes a very long time. It's not like he started this palette during the pandemic and then decided to release it. He pushed it back, and on top of that, this is not going to be going anywhere, guys. The pandemic is going to be going on for a while, especially if nobody's staying safe, social distancing, all that good stuff that we don't need to get into. And actually, he was going to release it anyway. So I don't know. I'm a supporter, and so I do understand. I think it's a beautiful palette, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the swatches. Okay, so I did zoom you guys in a little bit. I am back. I started with the darker side of the colors, which is the top row, and here we go. Here's what it looks like. They actually are a lot prettier than I envisioned. Starting from top to bottom, we have Hearse, Angel of Death, Gravedigger, Death Certificate, RIP, and Pallbearer. Okay, the second row, from top to bottom, we have Inheritance, Wednesday, Mortuary Beautician, Last Look, Solemnly Swear, and The Morgue. Alright guys, as we go with the rows, I'm starting to like it more and more. So this is the third row. I hope it's focusing right. But starting from the top, we have Mausoleum, Embalmed, Eulogy, Life Insurance, Last Respects, and Goodbye. Alright, and the last row we have, which is obviously my favorite, is the lightest one in the palette. We start off from top to bottom, like always. Obituary, Burial Gown, Afterlife, Casket Ready, Death Blow, and Diamond Ashes. The last row is really pretty. Alright, now that we have swatched all of them, I'm going to go ahead and create 2 different eye looks. They're pretty simple. Most likely, I don't even know what it's going to be exactly, but they are going to be pretty simple because I am not that amazing at this makeup. So let me go ahead and set it all up, and we'll be right back to get started with the first one. Alright, so going into the first eye, I'm going to do this one a little bit more my style. If anybody knows me, I actually do like a little bit of a lighter tone. I'm not so much into the smoky dark eyes, so the second eye is going to be more challenging. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first one. And I'm going to go ahead over here and start it with life insurance. Okay. It's obviously very, very pigmented. I can tell you from the very beginning, it does have a lot of fallout already alone. I could see the fallout everywhere. But this is not anything bad necessarily, because Jeffree Star's palettes usually do have that kind of consistency, but they're still amazing. So I'm not even complaining. I'm just letting you guys know a little bit of the facts that it does indeed have a little bit of fallout. The color is very pretty. I've lightly tapped on it and it already is looking very, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that into the inner corner, and I'm slightly going to go ahead and blending it in. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and move up here a little bit more. I'm going to go into this color Embalmed, and I'm going to put a little bit in the crease as well, kind of to blend them in. The pigmentation, like I said, is really pretty. The fallout, not so pretty. This one has a lot of fallout. Embalmed. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to get a smaller brush and I'm going to dig it into this one up here that's Death Row. It's kind of like a white powder color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that up more towards my eyebrow. Alright, let me switch some brushes out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a darker shade of the gray, and I'm going to go with this one up here called Wednesday. I'm going to darken that crease while going into the little V. Okay, it's coming out really nice already. It's still, like I said, a little bit on the lighter side, but this is totally my style. Everything blends flawlessly, which I'm not surprised, of course. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take more of a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and dig into, I don't even know what color. Let's go ahead and go into this Afterlife, because that Afterlife looks bomb. Oh, I'm out of focus. Why'd you do this now? Okay, right over here. And I'm going to take it and put it right in the middle of the lid. I'm kind of just tapping that in. I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go into, let's see what color, you know what? Let's go into a little bit of Death Row as well. Since I am making this one a little bit lighter, I'm just going to bring this one in right here. And I'm going to bring it up top and try to kind of connect up here since the white one is up on the top. I'm trying to use as many colors as possible just so you guys get an overview of what the palette actually looks like and what it has to offer. I've been hearing different things about it, that some people actually believe that the palette is one that you can use for like your wedding day. Don't know about all that, but I still do think it's very, very pretty. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take Diamond Ashes right over here. I'm going to go ahead and use my ring finger. I'm not going to even try to put that on a brush because I can already tell by the consistency when I swatched it that the brush is probably not going to be the best way to go. So I'm literally going to tap it into the middle of my eyelid. Alright, that's what I'm going to do to the top of the eye. I'm going to go move to the bottom lash line, and I'm going to take some of this Wednesday again, and I'm going to connect that from the outer to about halfway under my eye. And now I'm going to move over to the Afterlife. I'm going to put Afterlife in the middle up until just about the inner corner. And lastly, grab that small one that I used before and I'm going to go back into Death Row and connect the bottom, which is the white one. That one. Alright guys, so this is it for the first look. Let me go ahead and slap some lashes for you guys and I will be right back. Alright, so this is what the final look looks on this eye. I put the eyelashes on. I think it's actually really, really pretty. I'm totally digging this one. I would definitely wear this color. I didn't think I would, but I'm digging this one. On this side, what I went ahead, as you could tell, went ahead and I taped it because this side I'm going to go a little bit darker. And like I realized, the palette has a little bit more fallout than I did expect. So just to be on the safe side, I just figured I'd tape up this eye. I'm going to go ahead and go with this color right here, Obituary, to put on my crease. I'm going to go ahead and dig into this Solemnly Swear color up here. I'm going to darken up that outer crease. Alright. And to soften up top, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Mausoleum. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but I kind of want to mess with it. I don't know. I want to see what it looks like if I add a little shimmer to the top. It's actually really pretty. Now let's go ahead and darken it up some more. So what I'm going to do is get a smaller brush if I can find it. Alright, let's go ahead and go into Death Certificate. It's one of the darker colors. It also still has a little shimmer, and I'm going to go ahead tap that first. Go ahead and put it on the outer corner. I'm going to tap it on instead of just starting to blend it, because I feel like it works better that way. Alright, let's pump it up a little bit more and go the darkest of the darkest shimmers that we have, and that is that Angel of Death. I'm going to take a smaller brush for that one and literally stamp. There we go. Oh boy, as you can see, that definitely stamped on my face, but let's go see how this one. I literally just want to put like a little bit on the outside. But it's very, very hard. I don't know if you can see that fallout. Let's go ahead and bring it down a little bit. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and go into this Pall Bearer. Same thing like I did on the other one. I'm going to go ahead and use my ring finger. I feel like these do apply a little bit better. This way, I'm going to go ahead and tap it in the middle of my eye. That Pall Bearer shade actually has a little bit of a shift. It almost looks like a purpley, like it has a purple hue in it, which is nice. Alright, and even though the eye is still dark, I want to keep the inner corner a little bit lighter because I do feel that for me personally, it makes my eye pop a little bit more. So, I'm going to grab a smaller brush, and I want to go into something different though too, because I also want to make sure that you guys are getting the feel for the whole palette. So I'm going to go into this one called Goodbye over here, which I don't believe we've used. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Alright, cool. I like it. So I'm going to remove this tape here. Ooh, see, I love it. However, even still with a little bit of tape, you can see that it does have all this fallout. I'm going to just go ahead and, I don't want to make it worse. Alright, so for bottom lash line, I'm going to do something that I was kind of scared to do, but let's do it anyway. We're going to go into Hearst. Hearst is the black color. It's like a black matte. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the lower lash line. Let me make sure I tap the hell out of that one because we all see what this does. You can see that it had a lot of fallout, and since I did have my makeup on before, it kind of looks like I have a little bruise or something like that, but it is what it is. This is for the eyes, not for the full face, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect that. Ooh. Connect that right there. And then let me go ahead into, you know what? Let's just go into Goodbye. No, hold on. I picked 3 colors. So you know what? Let's go back into Obituary. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of Obituary. Blend that into the other color. All right, with a small little brush for the inner corner, I'm gonna go back into Goodbye. Alright guys, and this is what this one looks like. I'm going to go ahead and slap some lashes on, and I will be right back again. Alright guys, so this is what the darker one looks like. Yeah, definitely the eyelashes make it so much better. I absolutely love the palette. Let me go ahead and show you. So this is the dark side, and this is the lighter side. Let me know which one you guys like better because I don't know. Anyway, moving on, we're going to go ahead and do the lippies. Like I said before, these retail at $18. I have 2 shades right here. One is the lighter one, which I'm really excited about. It's called Heaven's Gate. And the other one is called Coroner's Kiss. Let's go ahead and get started with the lighter one. It's like this. The gloss, the little cap is white. It's actually like a pearly white, which is very, very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little swatch right here. Oh my gosh, this is so... Man, Jeffree. He's just amazing. There we go. That is what that one looks like. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this on my lips right now so you guys can see. Alright, so here is what, it looks like. The color is very, very pretty. I'm sure that you can use that like on top of another color, which is nice, like on top of like a matte. But the nicest thing I like about it is actually the smell. It smells like something sweet, like a cupcake or something like that. I like it. It's mad good. Anyway, moving forward, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the next one. Like I said, this one is Coroner's Kiss. Ooh, this is pretty. What I like about this color is that it actually has like a gold, ooh, like a golden kind of hue in it. If you can see compared to the other one. It definitely has like almost like a green gold shift to it. So what I'm going to do is you know what? Screw it. Let me take this one off real quick. All right, well, I tried to take off as much as I could. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on as well because I actually really like this one. Let's see. All right, and here we go. This one is very, very pretty on the lips. I wouldn't particularly wear it with this eye look, but I love it. Like I said, it has that golden shift to it, which makes it really, really pretty. What do you guys think? Which one do you guys like better? This one or this one? Also, he does have two more, but they're definitely like a dark gray, and that's kind of not my style, so I said screw it, I'm not getting it. But anyway, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it all. Moving to the best part of this, which is the giveaway. So, as you guys know, this palette is sold out. I'm pretty sure you can still find the glosses on the website, but you actually have to go to the website itself. But I do have this one right here. So the giveaway details are pretty simple. I had to write them down though, just in case. So in order to win this palette, you must be, of course, subscribed to my channel. And by subscribing means being subscribed, and also I need to be able to actually make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. So if you have it on private or anything like that, I am using a random comment picker. So I'm going to go ahead and check out the subscriber list to make sure that the person who does win is subscribed to the channel. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I really want you guys to comment a video suggestion for something that I'm going to do in the future. Let me know what you guys want to see from me, whether you guys want to do vlogging, more makeup, beauty, self-care, skincare, anything like that. Let me know in the comment box. And also next to that, make sure you let me know a way to get a hold of you, whether it's your IG handle or whether it's your email, whatever way that you want me to get a hold of you in case you win, please let me know right there. And speaking of IG, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will go ahead and actually right now let you guys know what my Instagram handle is as well. And it's very important if you guys do want to follow me on there, because I actually do post on there usually, actually not usually, all the time. I let people know who are my winners, my giveaway winners on there first on my stories. So if you are interested in that, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. So basically, I think that wraps up everything for the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel like always. Let me know what you guys think, and feel free to check out the description again if you forgot any of the details for the giveaway. So, like always, muchas gracias. I appreciate you guys so much, and yeah, have a good day. Ciao.